Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another studio vlog. In this week's vlog you can watch me prep and pack an order of our Shark Week period pouch bags that's heading all the way to Canada. So exciting, so let's get started. First up is this gingerbread Jubilee Tea Hanger. It is super cute. I just need to trim it into shape, do the quality control checks, which is to cut off any loose threads and general tidy up before packing it all up nicely. This is also Customer K. I'm just going to call her that for the sake of this video. This is Customer K's second order with me, and it was a total delight to have received this, so thank you so very much. She chose the blank wristlet design, so all I need to do here is attach the hardware and the keyring tassels. Kay ordered 2 of our Shark Week period pouch bags in both sizes. These were so fun to make. They are great for all your hygiene care products and essentials that you will need during that time of the month. It is large enough for pads, tampons, snacks and even a spare underwear and just about anything really. Prepping and quality control checks are all now done, and it is time to box it all up. I decided to throw in a couple of hair scrunchies as a thank you gift. I hope she'll love them and her new bags too. Thanks to Customer K for the lovely order. Be sure to check out our description box for all the items shown here in this video. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.